Today I'm going to review the MSI Codex R2 pre-built desktop gaming PC. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this gaming PC for yourself and get it at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a product that's a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their gaming experience and overall computing needs. The MSI Codex R2 gaming desktop. This powerhouse packs a punch with an Intel Core i5 14400F processor, NVIDIA Geforce RTX 4060 Ti, 16GB DDR5 RAM, and a whopping 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD. But what does all that mean for you? Let's break it down and see why this is a must-have for gamers, students, and everyday users alike. Why you want and need the MSI Codex R2 gaming desktop, unmatched gaming performance. First up, let's talk about gaming. The MSI Codex R2 is built for serious gaming. The Intel Core i5 14400F processor combined with the NVIDIA Geforce RTX 4060 Ti ensures that you can play the latest AAA titles with high settings and buttery smooth frame rates. This GPU is powered by NVIDIA's Ada architecture, which means you'll get to experience the full glory of ray tracing. Imagine lifelike lighting and shadows, which bring your favorite games to life. No more lag, no more stutter, just pure immersive gameplay. Everyday use and productivity. But it's not just for gaming. This desktop is also perfect for everyday use and productivity. Whether you're working on a school project, streaming your favorite shows, or multitasking with multiple applications, the 16GB DDR5 RAM ensures everything runs smoothly. The 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD offers blazing fast storage, so your system boots up in seconds, and your apps load instantly. Say goodbye to waiting and hello to getting things done efficiently. Educational benefits. For students, the MSI Codex R2 is a reliable companion. It can handle demanding software used in courses like graphic design, engineering, and computer science. The powerful specs mean you can run simulations, edit videos, or work on complex coding projects without breaking a sweat. Plus, with Windows 11 Home, you get a user-friendly interface that enhances productivity with features like snap layouts and virtual desktops, cool and customizable design. Let's not forget about the design. The Codex R2 features an RGB CPU air cooler and 4 system cooling fans that keep your system cool even during intense gaming sessions. And with the built-in RGB lighting, you can personalize your setup to match your style. The MSI LED button lets you cycle through lighting options, or you can dive into the MSI Center software for even more customization. One con to consider now: no product is perfect, and it's important to be aware of any potential drawbacks. The MSI Codex R2 is a powerful machine, and with great power comes a bit of noise. While many users appreciate how quietly it runs, if you're in a very quiet environment or particularly sensitive to noise, you might notice the fans during heavy gaming or intensive tasks. It's not a deal breaker by any means, but it's something to keep in mind. Conclusion. So, whether you're a hardcore gamer, a student, or someone who needs a reliable and fast computer for everyday tasks, the MSI Codex R2 gaming desktop has you covered. Its high-end specs ensure top performance, the sleek design keeps your setup looking great, and the customization options allow you to make it truly your own. Plus, with the inclusion of a keyboard and mouse, you're ready to go right out of the box. If you're ready to upgrade your computing experience, the MSI Codex R2 is a fantastic choice. And if you'd like to get this gaming PC at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.